Lamig. Malamig.
Pinit. Tagalog.
Mapinit.
Kita.
Mapinit ang panahon. Gumugula ang isipan. Malamig.
Ikaw.
So malamig. So tell me where to start. Thank you for the likes po. Ah, 1 million likes. Wala, may fog. May fog. 'Cause it's breaking. Hi, Marco, Lauren, Lerinar, Ortiga. Hola. Hi, Mandaragat TV. Thank you for joining, Mandaragat. Good morning. Good morning. So tell me where it's time, 'cause it's breaking. Thank you so much, Jose. Hi, Jose. Hello, Jose. So, oh my God, the fog. Maraming fog. Beautiful weather. Ciao, Bella. Ciao. Thank you for the likes, po. Hi, Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir Ben. Hello there, Cheryl. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Ben. How are you, po? Hi, Higgs. Hello, Cheryl. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Yes, wonderful morning today. The weather here is so beautiful. Now, please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. So tell me where to start, 'cause it's broken. Hi, Sir Dwayne, Cheryl, very good morning to you. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thomas, hi, Thomas. Hi from Denmark. Thomas from Denmark. Thank you, 30 people here. Thank you, 9 likes. Thank you so much for. Hola de Mexico. Hi, Jose from Mexico. Jose. Thank you so much, 34 people. Nice day, nice lady. Oh, thank you po. Adna Kayal. Richard, my size. Hi, I'm missing you and good morning there. Oh, Richard, are you happy living in Philippines? I'm happy. My life here in the Philippines. Great. Thank you. I'm living in the province of the Philippines. Happy here. Sir Thomas from Denmark. Thank you so much. Fuduzaba. What is that? Which country do you live in? I'm from Philippines. Hello, I'm in Philippines. So glamour. Glamour. Na naman. Thank you, 12 likes for the likes. Hi, Welcome, Bellissimo Profelo. 33, 34 people. Thank you so much. Relax. 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 Would you like to live in Denmark? Maybe just visit, but I don't know. I have no relatives in Denmark, so if I have work, it's okay. But for what? Greetings from Turkey. Hi from Turkey. Me, Jadi. I like Sheryl Ohm. Thank you, thank you, Sergio Sanchez. Manhadili. What it means, Williams. Williams. Sorry. Thank you for the likes. Oh. Samsung M12. Samsung. 43 million in the house. Oh my god. Darshal, I'm having dinner now. Thank you, Sir Ben, for joining here. Thank you so much. You look great on screen. Thank you, Adnan Kayal. Thank you so much. Such a beautiful masterpiece you are. Really? Good morning, Juan. Bert, 18? Where are you from, Bert? Jerome. Hi, Jerome. You're beautiful. Thank you so much. Hello from Switzerland. Hi, Switzerland. From Switzerland. Because so money from Switzerland. Wow, Switzerland. One of my favorite country. Lloyd Crowe. Hi, cutie. Thank you, Lloyd. You are very. Oh my god. I know that. Charot. Carlos Alexander. Long Island, New York. Long Island, New York. Nice to meet you, Bert. I joined this broadcast. I saw you. It was nice to see you. Adnan, where are you from? Adnan Kayal, where are you from? Just tell me where the words start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love, but can you guess your hand? For what? If love was based on looks alone, I would totally be in love with you. Wow, Sir Mac, Shaw, Fulham. Ang hirap bigkasin. Thank you so much, guys. Basem. I'm talking about Brazil. Okay. You would like Denmark. It's a rich and lovely country. Wow, that's great. You're so lucky living in Denmark, Sir Thomas. That be the truth. Thank you, Sir Mac Chevalier. Ivan Dossi. Hi, Ivan. Please tell me where. Thank you, 19 likes. Thank you so much. You're doing a live stream. That's great. Well done. Thank you, Adnan Kaya. Adnan Kaya. Okay. I want to key to chew. What? Yes, mom. Why, mom? Thank you, Sir Dwayne. So tell me cause it's working. Hello, Sir Akidu, Brazil. Oh, those beautiful eyes. Oh, thank you, Bart. Linda Maravilhosa. Charge Martins. Charge Martins. Thank you for the likes, po. Oh my god, 28 people here. Hamis Scribi Agora. Scribi Agora. This time I love you much better. If ever you'll be mine. Hi, Silas comes. Hello. Thank you, 26 people in the house. Thank you so much. Gustavi Makonga. Sing you Thomas, sending you some hearts because you are sweet. Maybe you send a super chat, Sir Thomas. Thank you so much for joining 29 likes. Your guess carries the meaning of a million words. Your guess, guessing, what it means. Martin Laporte, hi, Sheryl people. Thank you, Sir Martin. Thank you. Welcome back. Hello, Bonzwai. Bonjour. That's your people. Thank you. Thank you, Martin Laporte. Martin, good to see you. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Wilson Villacara. Hi, Wilson. Oh my god, you look beautiful, darling. Wait. Celine from Martin. Thank you, 24 people in the house, 23 likes. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Antonio Veloco. Wow, wow. Wow. Efrain Zerati. Good morning, grabe. Kapinit. Mahamogon sa luwas. Mahamugon. You know what mahamugon? Thank you, Martin Lopare. Mahamugon sa luwas. Double tap your screen and subscribe everyone. Thank you, Martin. Wesley Kevin. Mahamugon. May gulay. Kuya G, good morning, Jolly. Kuya Dre, where's my Jollibee? I want Jollibee, Kuya Dre. Eh,
No Jollibee.
Sir Fred, good morning, Sir Fred. Oh my God, Sir Fred in the house. Me, mahamugon sa lubas. Me. Fred, good morning from Sir Twin. Hi, Jose Pionoria. Morning, Twin. Thank you so much for the 4 people in the house. Malapuupon sa luwas ba?
Wala po.
Malapuupon.
Wala po po.
Anybody that subscribes to me, I will subscribe to them right back. Leave me a comment. Everyone, can you please subscribe Sir Martin Laporte, and he will subs you back. And he will subs you back. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hello, beautiful. Good afternoon from Florida. Hi, Richard from Florida. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. 45 million here? Nuh-uh. 45 million. Good morning, sunshine. So, lamb to bed train. Lamb to bed train. Sunshine. Bellissima. Si Bellissima. XX. Bellissima. Ano? Gerardo. Oh my God. So malamaygon. Mapinit-pinit. You seem so surprised. You're getting many views. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Fred. Martin, I subs, my friend. You get them every day. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Fred. Carlo pose you. Hi. Ever you're in my arms. 44 people. Dwayne, thank you. I will subs you from Martin. I'm in love, beauty. Oh, why you so in love? Why in love? Evening Dre. Hi. From Sir Fred. You have 62 subscribers now, my friend. Yay. You shine not only with your beauty, but also with your sensitivity, friend. Thank you, Adnan Kayal. Adnan Kayal. Adnan Kayal. So, Fred. So, Kuya, good morning. Second, this time my love is better. Martin, thank you. Sup, twin. Hey, Jose. Zoze. Soze. Soze. Zay. Ano ba yan? 38 people here. How much snow, Dwayne? Oh my God, the snow. The snow. 44 people. Coca Coca-doodle-doo, good morning to you. Hi, Mickey. Thank you so much, Mickey, for joining here again. Fred, we've got to have 10 inches of snow overnight. Oh my God. Expecting 3 more tonight in 30-mile-an-hour winds. My good eye. So cold. James Round, fellow from England. Hi, Sir James Round from England. Thank you for joining, Sir James Round. Haha, Dwayne, enjoy. Enjoy the snow. I seen you on back of that motor, Jollibee. And where was your helmet? Safety first, young lady. Ah, yeah. No helmet. I'm just ride the motor. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Good, how are you? Jose, I'm always fine here. Good morning, Manay. Hi, Gary Burboy. Good morning, Man. Thanks, Fred from Sir Dwayne. This train has some snow here too. Dwayne channel. Dwayne, I got a lot of snow here also, Dwayne. A lot of fog here. Headache. Here, lots of fogs here in Nebraska. Nice to meet you, Sir Dwayne Channel from Nebraska. Chilo Bello Potter Polar Wrestling. Oh, ano daw? Your lovely and beautiful smile makes my day like everything else. I just wish you always be happy and healthy. And I wish you the best mornings. Thank you, and Dan Kayal. Thank you so much. I got snow here also about 4 feet to 30 below zero. Oh my gulay. Oh, I'm in the clouds covering the mountain, not snow. Same here, same here, Sir Fred. Who looks the clouds, the mountain here, the fogs. Oh my God, there's fogs covering the mountain, covering the fogs. Same here. Oh, the fogs here. It looks like snow, but it's fog. Uh, Martin, all my 4 foot of snow. 4 feet of snow. Minus 30 Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius. Temperatures, like Fred said, enjoy. Enjoy. Martin, Katli, ang hirap ko na, bigkasin. Katli, God, Danny. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Pero what state are you in? I'm living in the Philippines, but Bicol province, Philippines. Yes, we do a lot of snow, which good is also snowboarding, ice fishing. I like winter. Bati ang miga. Yeah, Cheryl, lot of times so much fog here. I can see the road at bottom of my properties because of fogs. Ano. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. Dwayne beat me to it. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. 50 people in the house. Thank you po. 37 likes. Jollibee. Kuya Dre. Good morning, Sir Steven Martin. I made sure he was hidden. Yes. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I hope you had a nice weekend. Yes, nice weekend, Sir Steven Martin. Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Sir Martin. Thank you, Martin Laporte. Welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Makalakaw ko sa pag-ayan. Iba pa, kusog-kusog mo na yung natuhod mo kahit ano yun, medyo ano pa.
I saw a few of your short video over the weekend. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. Thanks a lot. It helps me to earn. Why was you on deck of the motor without helmet? Safety first, young lady. Yes, Kuya J. I will do that next time. Just suddenly need to ride the motor because of what do you call this? No need to pay the no need to ride a tricycle, something like that. Yeah, easy to ano ba yun? It's really difficult to explain because my English is bad. Kuya. Sel, good morning. Hi, good morning to Salimucha. There she is. Magandang umaga. Hi, Biglan. Thank you so much for joining, Biglan. Surner Paul. Hi. Queasy, how do I do that tree? And also for 5 people on one small scooter. Yes, same. Always happen here also, Sir Fred. Yes, Martin Laporte. Yes, big lawn in the house. Chucky, Andriano. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning to Chucky. I understand, Jalby. Yes, thank you, Kuya Dre. Ate, good morning. Habol tayo sa Valentine's. Habol tayo, hindi pa nga nag-Valentine's, habol. Fred, the most I've ever seen on a motorcycle was 4. Good morning, Sir Paul. Good morning, Jose. Hi, Jose. I seen 5. 5? Thank you, 22 people. Thank you for the likes, 41 likes na may gulay. Good morning, so you just wake up beautiful. Yes, so wake up. Here we go. We did. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are available. Thank you, Rob. Thank you po. Malamig. So malamig. I need to cough. Morning. Good morning. Namahaw ka na, Pai? Nagaon ka na?
seryoso si Daddy.
Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. Good morning, Fred. Good morning, Michael. You have a joyful eyes. Thank you. My lunches. How's your papa doing this? Look, my papa. It's a little bit fine. Nagaon ka na? Namahaw ka na? Pai? Nagaon ka na? Wala pa. Ha? Pagod na ako ka. If you haven't, please like. Thank you. Thank you, Higgs. That's great to see you doing better. Thank you. Tagadim ka. Subsugon man. Nani. Hindi siya sa dinaano, no? Pako?
Oh, kumain. Ikaw mo na niya. Stay.
Baga na ba siya sa pako? Di mo na siya tada. Sa ano ba yun? Sa chai? Na ano? Di ko naintindihan. Di ko naintindihan.
Yan eh.
Steam.
Yan, maya.
Diri lang permi. Kaya permi man. Pichay permi. Papa's looking foggy this morning, sitting up and everything. Yes, my papa is foggy. Hegs, good morning, my friend. My papa is so foggy. Thank you, sir. Thank you for Mickey. Sound is pleasant. Pleasant. Hey, what is cooking? Hi, Sir Jamie. You're very hardworking. Thank you po. Not hardworking. It's normal here. Okay, Fred, Ticker, I'll be here. Thank you, Sir Dwayne.
Wow. Yun yung sister mo.
Okay, enjoy, guys. I will be back. Okay, thank you, Sir Fred. Nano?
Sa'yo? Ay, Mashida.
Thank you, 49 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hi, Kelly. I can't live. Living is without joy. I can't live. My God. Sorry. Joking. Thank you. Basketball. By breakfast preparation. Yes. Aray ko. Breakfast. Sir John, good morning, Sir John. Thank you po. House cleaning must be difficult. Yeah, difficult always. But no choice. Be alright. Thank you po for you're very energetic po. Energetic. Energetic. Thank you po.
Pagkagabi pa naman ito nung nagturo.
Thank you po. Thank you for the likes po. Oh my God, itapo na natin. Sabay di mo Nani ito na ano ni Papay? Maulang ang sudan niya?
Ha?
Maulang yung sudan niya na ako?
Oo, steam lang ada ko na ano. Ang haba si As, may eskwela ka? Ah.
Thank you, Sir John. What is that noisy po? The pig. The noise is the pig, Sir John. Your dad sounds and looks a lot better. He has a good noise. He felt better now, Sir Jamie. You beautiful woman. Is there any chance Adi that it starts with you could go Bali? Of course not. if you could if you could see yourself smiling, you would feel like you'd add years to your own life. Thank you, 36 people. Thank you so much.
Wala na kasi bilis. Bahala ka. Tama na. Awatulong ka pa na magturog pa ka na.
Thank you pa. The pig doesn't sound happy. They felt hungry, Sir John. That's why. Thank you po, Sir Dwayne. Alright. Yes. Hi, Ratatar. Ratatarar. Hello. Bye-bye, Jollibee. I'm going to gym. See you, Kuya Dre. See you next live. Thank you so much. Mickey, that's how this sounds when they are hungry. Yes, they feel hungry. Kuya, my friend, have a good workout. Take care. Take care, Sir Kuya Dre. From Sir Dwayne. From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. May lano ka mo doon.
Ilan? Dali na. Ito na sa ating moment. Kanina pa. Pilas na!
Pagkasidaw na natin dito. Alihan mo kung ganyan na ano mo ha. Oo. Aliko pa. Ha? Aliko. Ano rin? They just want the big bus. Yeah, thank you, Sir Mickey. Ratatar. What's wrong, you know?
Steph, ako ko na tumangon.
Sugna pa.
Sila pa dabay. Sila pa. Gusto ko na. Ah, sarap.
Ito isang gawin ng lasag. Maka.
Parang ano mo na ng isda.
Ha?
Isda.
Di ba ano lang? Kaya baga na okay man siya sa wala isda.
Madali na. Babay, madali na.
Gabriel! Kay awaton para maano ka soon. Gab! Kanina ka ba? Ako na yun, babayan na yan.
Tapos yung asin. Kung pagkailan tubig.
Hindi mo na inhali na ano. Kung magdadara pa.
Yeah, yeah. Stroke, bye. Stroke.
Ah.
Mama ka? Kaya pa din ako.
Bakit ba hindi
Ako,
ngayon ang puso ko? Thank you pa. Sorry. Busy.
Ako yun.
Ah. Hi. Hello, Rin. Good morning.
Video. Ha? Okay? Dito daw sa may Paraboligas.
Sasakay ka?
Ano yan? Ano yan? Dada sila nagpaano ha?
Yan, mawan.
Oo.
Yan yun, tuda sila mawan.
Magdala ka na lang dito sila, no? Pagdating niyo.
Oh.
Sabay na yan to sa... Ang bayan sa to, sabay na may kamirindan na yan to.
Ano yun? Kumirindan.
Ha?
Sige na kumirindan.
Ano na?
Ha?
Ito si Mamay. Sabi, akin nagkanto pa.
Ay, yun.
Kaduros mo siya sundin ko. Mga sutilo namin. Ratatar. Are you making yourself a Nescafe? Coffee, just coffee, not a Nescafe. Ay, manantawin mo. I'm taking myself, feels it's breaking. Why does it hurt me so? Baby, you'll never come back.
No. Yeah.
Nagkaong natadihan niyo ini ho, masalaman.
Sa palala, yan daw. Masiraman sa ano? Ansos. Parang steam lang nila. Oh, parang ano siya, parang para sa takoyaki ba yun ba?
Sana siya, yan yun ako.
Takoyaki.
Ano sabi na ano?
Inahan mo?
Ang pangalan sabi? Pangkahiblog na ito.
Ako pa ba? Ngayon, pili mo siya.
Anong vlog kita?
Lubla.
Doon sa mga
Masirap siya.
Dancing Queen, yeah. Your voice sounds amazing. vlog. May kinatubaga ako.
Mali ka na doon. Kasi gusto ka rin sa sulat. Puro-puruhay lang sa sarili. Nasama ka ng mga sinilas. Buhat-buhat ko ng sinilas sa mag-ama.
Kami nga dito na duwa. Oo, di ba lang kami maraming po. Ito, gwapo ni Gab. Dito baga sa may pinto, sa may manubok, nakasakit-sakitan kita.
Para kuha ako.
Kuha dito namin.
May tipikray ko sa yan. Naman, ang gusto mo yun to. Ano yan?
Oh, wow. Be careful you don't get burned. Yeah. Don't worry. It's a pleasure and pleasure to watch you. Taparel, ano luto mo dalan? Fried chicken. Good morning. Hi, Elan. And then Carl, you're sweet. Thank you, friend. Thank you po. Paano na? Sandali pa. Taro lang. You need long sleeve when doing that. It's okay, I can handle. Hi, GSR! GS Riper, hello! Welcome back po. How many siblings? We're 9 siblings. 9. Hi. 9 siblings. Okay, sorry. Hi from Denmark. Hi, Thomas. No, it's work. It's okay. It's fine. No worries.
Maawa po na yun. Patong pa siya yung digger. Patong pa siya yung digger.
Come on, let's eat. Huwag na kayo mag-away. Ano kami ugadi din? Mga suda kagabi?
Sa ako pa yun.
Nana, pamawa niya.
Kapi, yan balon ni dada, hinatag din naman no.
Yadi ho.
Pwede ko.
Yung padidi ho.
Kasi nga kayo,
Kaya diyan.
Dada.
Sudah ni mahal.
Dash.
Ngayon ito, balon.
Oh, wow.
Mana?
Thank you. Watch Reed going here. Thought he's lying, but wasn't allowed here anymore, huh? Watch Reed going here. Rika is a good friend of mine. No need to know.
Kaya malabaga si tita
So,
mo.
JS Rocker. And the star. What are you cooking now? I'm hungry too. Chicken? Thank you for things, people.
Tubig. Tubig. Tubig.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
Si Baby Ash. Maluwag pa no siya.
Thank you, Cheryl. 11 people in the house. That it tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. Ano sabi? Ayaw, makapalit na ito ni chicken.
Balay. Papagdan si tita Maggie.
Pagdating ng panahon, may tamang panahon, babang. Magandi niya. Ay, ano yun? Ano na nagdan?
Nalagdan. May, pahay mo kita sa linya ito mga nakahoy.
Masabi lang na hanggan na.
Para matalo. Sabi mo, hagdan. Times.
I see you. I see your husband behind. He's my brother. Nagtatapat niya yung angkot niya.
Sabi,
Ito sa taas niyo.
oo. Bisa iba-iba doon.
Yeah.
Maybe my love.
No, that's not my cat. Her husband is not there yet. Mickey. Thank you, Sir Mickey. Thank you, Mickey. I like it. Can you give me the cat? I'm not the owner of the cat. Oh my god. They're always going here because the home is open, always open.
Kay taro lang sa nang kuhaan. Mandada man.
It is a home cat. I don't always hear the cat.
Pinadi na da. Okay, ne?
Yeah, dito na.
Bago na lang yun.
Papa ni sir.
Ang bilaan ni natag siya mga diskagabi ha, ina mga kahapon.
Kagay yun, San Prinsesa. My God. School day.
As?
20.
Yung may kanibitiray. Paras na dua kahapon. 20 ang kanray ni 20.
Just tell me why the always start, cause it's fake and I don't wanna know. Dada, ano bagan di ito mapakali si Papay, sana nasa kamuta. Bagan gusto niyan. Inarsa ko kanya, di ko kanya.
Ano pa yun? Okay na position. Kahit na ang position mo.
Oo, bagan malaino.
Kahit na ang position mo.
Don't wanna let go. Nandito na. Malunggay pandesal. Papa pandesal. Papa pandesal. pansam.
Let's go, Naraga.
Oh my God. Aray ulit sa ano, eskwelahan. Magayan, may service pa na. Yung sa tawaan pala, gusto may hagdan. Ngayon na. Sana, agad-agad. Oh my, gulay. Hagdan ko na kaya gusto ang tayo. Ano si Ginny na? Ginny, gusto ko, may hagdan ng balay ko. Now na. Nakatayo. Sa unang Kantoy? Si Kantoy? Ang buto mo, wala pa man din eh. Che, yan si Kantoy.
Ikaw pinaka-favorite. Ikaw pinaka-favorite ako.
Ay, wala man yan. Hindi.
Ano daw ang hindi mo naman na ano?
Aw,
Hindi na napapasa.
Aren?
At hindi yung matisil.
Ang buti mo lang.
Set ko dito para magkanya video mo ako.
Kuha ka na din pasa.
Wala yan. Ate? Pamangkit. Lagi nakuha ko na. Ibulag. Ano ko? Malaba ka yan? Oh, wala pa may gamit. Ano?
Ay, gamitan rin ito.
Washing.
Sayang sa oras.
Yara din may saksakan sa balay. Direkta na yun.
Nabatik ba?
Totoo. Ay, ano may tuga?
Ash. Sounds like the pigs and chickens are combining and transforming into elephant. Oh my god. Yes po, John B. Thank you so much, John B. Oh my god. Morning Haggard. The key to healthy eating is not eating too much or too little, but eating balanced and nutritious meals. That's right. Andan Kayal. You're right po. I watch from Ghana. Hi, Manuel from Ghana. Now you are okay, yes. Hi, Bernardo Naja. Hi. Thank you, 12 people. Why does it hurt me so? Thank you so much for the likes. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh my gulay. Cheryl, I am still. Oh my god, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much, Sir Dwayne. Thank you pa. My god. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. You're the best. It was a tiring day for you. Yes. Soon, in few minutes, going to work na. Mm, mm. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. I'm not here. I'm hiding. Mickey, thank you, Mickey. My God. Thank you, Mickey.
Aray ko, di.
Aray, aray.
Wala, sige ko na.
Makamamarangan sa mga tanos.
Oo,
Makalaban
ani.
sa mga tanos.
Isang pay kayo niya, ay sayang sa'yo.
Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I'm back. Thank you so much. 65 likes. Thank you so much for 16 people in the house. I'm tired just watching you. You're truly a determined woman. Wow, the determined woman. What a word. Thank you for positive uh, impression to me, Sir Andan Kayal. Good morning, Cheryl. I sleep late, but I'm up now finally. Hi, Mike. Hey, Dwayne. Thank you, Mike. Saw me where the outside, cause it's good. Thank you, boss. Thank you for the likes. Mike, my friend, a very good evening to you. Morning to here by the evening to you. Yes. Morning here and evening to Mike. Thank you po. Amando Hudos. Mando? Sana all lagi.
Para nakita niya.
Yes.
Summer na.
Summer feels. Dwayne, how much snow did you get so far? How much the snow? My God, the snow 4 feet. 4 feet. 4 feet. 4 foot. Feet. My God, 4 feet. 1. Oh my God. Mike, we got 10 inch of snow last night. We're expecting 3 more inches overnight and 30 mph winds, my friend. Oh my God, like snow. Too cold. Too cold. Uh, Thank you so much for the Mike. How much snow did you get from Sir Dwayne? Amendo. Aray ko ma.
Ate, may anti ka. Abaga mo. Ito. Ano? Ito. Sabay kiliki. Ito na. Yan na sa braso mo.
Ito.
Yun, pwede yun. Yun, ito na. Wala na. Makulungan na ito sunangan dyan.
Mando. Oh, kadali mo man dada.
Bakal sampang ano, isa.
Wala.
Ha? Oo.
Ako all. Ah. Sa pool.
Kapay ko lang yun na.
We only got about 6 inches total between Saturday and Sunday. Oh, there's snow. There's snow. Only heaven knows. Como que no quiere mi novia mi para. Mi para. Friend, you're such a good friend. You're like the perfect gift for everyone you meet. Really? Yeah. Oh well, thanks. Twin last night down to 14 degrees. 14 degrees. Oh my god. Saga ka mo mapaano?
Ha?
Mapatanom?
Oo.
Mm.
Sarampay ko na ini. Kaya parang mag... Ay, lahat.
Maybe my love again. Mike, that's cold, my friend. We got about the same temperature. Supposed to get down to about 8 degrees. 8 degrees. Mike, I guess I won't be driving that bad until I get the roads cleared up. Friend, your beautiful smile. I wish you a happy day with a cheerful face. Thank you, Adnan Kayal. Thank you. That Corvette. Corvette. Twin, it's going down to 12 tonight and 5 Tuesday night. It's my autocorrect kicking and I'll never love you so. I'm fine, Effie. I'm fine, Effie. I need to end the live because need to prepare. I'm going to work today. So thank you so much for watching. Sir Dwayne, thank you so much. Mickey, Mike, thank you. New friend here, Adnan Kayal, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone here. And to all my friends here, thank you. Thank you guys for joining. Friend distance and kilometers don't matter to me at all. I want to say from the bottom of my heart is that friendship is beautiful feeling. Yes, thank you so much, Adnan Kayal, for the good friend here on YouTube and my live stream. Thank you a lot. It's okay, take our mahal ko. Yes, thank you. God bless everyone. Love you all. Thank you. Cheryl, you're more than welcome. I will always be here. Sometimes you won't know I'm here, but I'm here. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, po. Have a nice day today. Take care always. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you so much. Love you all.